You stupid. Here, hold my drink, nigga. Shit. God damn. Look at all this motherfucking water. This shit don't make no sense. Damn, look at that shit though.
Damn.
The bottle is floating. This shit crazy. All I wanted to do was drink my drink. Look at this nigga shit though right here. I should like splash everybody shit. Just splash everybody shit. Damn, this shit crazy. Look, Kiki wheels submerged. Damn. Yeah, I know, right? Shit crazy. This shit is in the fucking zone. I got the crucial zone now. Evo ain't got this zone. I got that crazy crucial zone. Like, look at this nigga shit. Look at his old ass Crown Vic. This shit's old. And now it's underwater. Look at the Toyota Tercel.